percentages of amounts. So today we're going to be focusing on 50% first. A couple of weeks ago, we learned that 50% was the same as 50 over 100, which is the same as 0.5. The children were all quite confident with this. So we know that 50% is the same as 1/2. That's a fact that we also had to learn. So 50% is the same as a half. To find 1/2 an amount, you need to divide it by 2. So because 50% and a half are the same, to find 50% of an amount, you divide by 2. So let's have a look at a calculation. We started off nice and easy. So 50% of 20 is the same as 20 divided by 2, which we can work out as 10. Now, not all questions are going to be as simple as this. You might get a question where you have 50% of 48. Now, this is also quite a nice number because both of the digits are even. They are even numbers. So evens are 2, 4, 6, and 8, and a number ending in 0. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, you still need to do 48 divided by 2, but this may be a little trickier. So you may want to partition the number you are dividing. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 40, remember that's a 4 in the tens column, divided by 2 is 20. 20 add 4 equals 24. Now, sometimes you might get a trickier number again where your tens digit may be odd. So if we do 50% of 56, okay, still the same. 56 divided by 2 equals. Now, the 6 remains easy to half. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. But the 50 becomes a little bit trickier. This is where some of your children may need to partition this even further. So take a 10 away, which we can half in a minute. Okay, so 50 subtract 10 is 40. Now you have two numbers that are fairly easy to half now. So 40, half of 40 is 20. Half of 10 is 5. So you do 20, add 5, add 3, which equals 28.